So viewer subscriber, in this one we have Skeng and Vinci turn up the place with a brand new song. And we have famous rapper I follow two dancehall legends. You see me? So channel one, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and make we jump in this one.
Well, you know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
Nobody else but me. Like shorty, what you asking for?
Yeah man, so view and subscribe. If you don't know the song there, well, something do know. So Trippie Red recently followed Alkaline and Tamale. Yeah man, and it's a good look, I'll say, because basically dancehall music expand over the years. Yes, me, a lot of people get more exposure to dancehall music. A lot of people start listen to our music and vibes to it. I remember Top G, yeah man, Andrew Tate did a vibes to One Big Stand, Rolex on him wrist, you see me? And that's a good look. If you know, say, you start out so young and your music reach so far, you see me? Yeah man, Andrew Tate was listening to One Big Stand, Rolex on him wrist, you see me? And may I tell you, dancehall music is getting more and more larger around the world. It expand. You see me? And I have to say big up to Vibes Cartel, them, Alkaline, and also, yeah man, Skilly Bang. But I not just them alone I do it. A lot of artists out there do it right now. And I expand dancehall music and make other people around the world get in familiar, yeah man, with our culture and the music. And I have to say we big up to them. I have to say big up to them, you see me? Yeah man, so Trippie Red recently followed Alkaline and Tamale, and I don't know, maybe we'll see a collab soon with Alkaline and Trippie Red, or Tamale and Trippie Red. We'll see.
Skeng them boy, the little boy, tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face. You watch me knock it up in a face, me a clap it up. None of them no make money, no every killer them a lay up.
Say fair, and the man them bust your head, brother. Like, yo, like you know your lyrics. Yo, I have to say big up to Vinci and Skeng. We never expect this a collab, but it's like we needed it. The DJ, them no hold back nothing, brother. The man they just push out everything on the table. Say fair. Skeng go all out in that song, brother. And I have to say, yo, well, at the end of the day, we don't expect nothing less from Skeng. Because when it comes down to songs like these, Skeng will give us his full performance. He might give us his best. You see me? I'm have to say big up to Vinci for this one. Yeah man, Vinci hold him own in a this. You see me? Man them say yo, say fair and them bust out the head, brother. Can't joke with the man them badness. Pain town, you see me? Yeah man, so if you not check it out, if you go run it up right now, it a run road.
Pangani up all out, no live long enough. Vinci, me know it to kill. Tell a pussy bill, come on make my bill. Can't tell every wish, I saw my skill. Tell them to me sick, then me under pill, me at the spin.
So viewer and subscriber, I'm going to tell you something. I'm supposed to know already. You see, if you want a bad man song to connect the right way, you have to have the voice. Yeah man, I think I said this before. You have to have the voice. You can't say I go record a bad man song and sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks, brother. That nah go connect, bro. Nobody nah go take your badness serious. You have to have them little dark Batman voice there. Yeah man. You see me? You have to have the voice, brother. That's why the badness category can always fit Skeng and a man like Tamale them. Because of the voice, brother. Yo, when Skeng talk one time, you know what he talk a second time, brother. Cause you see once a man give you that voice, the brother, you have to just say, alright, Skeng, I hear you. And I am not saying that the rest of the artists them out there that don't have a tone like Skeng or Tamale, I'm not saying for them song don't connect. I'm just saying, you see, when they have a voice, have a deep voice when it comes down to the bad man tune them, then them wicked. You see me? Them wicked. But the rest of the artists them that don't have a tone like Skeng or Tamale, for them song them bad too. Me not gonna lie. Because you see the lyrics them when them are thump out, brother. Me I tell you, you know normal. So you don't have to have a deep voice for deliver in a bad man tune. Remember me tell you. Look pan Alkaline. And me also remember Dexter Daps, the drop a song way back boy in 2016 when he am Shabba Motherpot. And me I tell say yo the song bad, but what? A man don't have the tone like Skeng nor Tamale, but what he still deliver. So me I make it out clear say yo, you don't have to have the voice for a bad man tune for deliver. But you see, when you have the voice, brother, when you have a tone, it's just a different feeling, it's just a different energy I feel from the song, you see me? So watch out, man, only can make me know when I think, make me know if I'm wrong, make me know if I'm right, you see me? You don't know say all comments are valid and I respect them. So if you're not listening, if you go listen to the song right now, run up Skeng and Vinci latest single, say fair. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, run up the channel to 1000. And as always, I can do this without and I'm out.